Did you know that a little sprinkle of oregano can do more than just make your pizza taste amazing? This humble herb has been used for centuries not only for flavor but also for health. Today, we're diving into why oregano deserves a spot in your kitchen and your medicine cabinet. Oregano is a popular herb in Mediterranean cuisine. It's known for its aromatic leaves and bold flavor. But beyond taste, oregano is packed with antioxidants and compounds that support your immune system and overall health. First up, oregano is a natural antibacterial. Studies show that its oils can fight bacteria and even help protect against infections. It's also anti-inflammatory, which can help reduce joint pain and swelling. Oregano is rich in antioxidants, which protect your cells from damage and support heart health. And for your digestive system, oregano can help balance gut bacteria and improve digestion. Adding oregano to your diet is easy. Sprinkle fresh or dried leaves on salads, soups, or roasted veggies. Oregano oil is also available as a supplement, but remember, it's very potent, so a few drops go a long way. Even a cup of oregano tea can boost your immune system and calm digestion. Here is something cool. Oregano wasn't just a kitchen herb, it was used in ancient Greece for healing and rituals. And it's more than just Italian food. Oregano pairs surprisingly well with eggs, fish, and even fruit dishes like roasted pears. A little oregano goes a long way. When using oregano oil, always dilute it with a carrier oil to avoid irritation. Fresh herbs are great, but dried oregano actually contains more concentrated antioxidants, so don't overlook it. So next time you reach for that oregano shaker, remember, it's not just flavor, it's a tiny powerhouse of health. Sprinkle, sip, or oil it. Your body will thank you. Follow for more simple nutrition tips that actually work.